So we're given we have a normally distributed data set, nice bell curve, with a mean of 40, so 40 in the middle, standard deviation 1.5, and we want it to be greater than 39, so 39 is here, and greater than 39 and less than 42, so somewhere in between. And so we go look at our options, and we're like, well, that one doesn't look right. The mean, well, if you're going to use 39 and 42, the mean isn't 0, and 39 is certainly less than the mean, so this one's just really not happy. This one doesn't look right because we know one's on the left side of the mean and one's on the right side of the mean, so this is not happy as well. This one comes close, but what's that 40.5 doing in the middle? I don't know. And then this one looks more like our graph, but where are those negative 2/3 and 4/3 coming from? Oh yeah, there should be, I think they made a mistake on theirs. I think that's supposed to be negative 2/3. I think they put positive 2/3 in their official test, and which is a pretty big mistake. Yeah, so there should be a negative because clearly negative 2/3 is less than 0. So if you're wondering where those are coming from, those are your z-scores, which are your score minus the mean over the standard deviation. They're how many standard deviations away from the mean your score is. So since your standard deviation is 1.5, that 39 is not quite a full standard deviation away. So it's 1 away, and 1 away is 2/3 of a standard deviation away. Negative 2/3 because we're on the left. And so there we go. We can do the same thing for the 42. So 42 is 2 away from the mean. How many standard deviations is that? That's 4/3 standard deviations. And so that's where they're coming up with that. Now, when you look at their answer, they've got the positive 4/3, and then they do have the negative 2/3 there. So I think if they haven't fixed it yet, it should be a negative 2/3. That is a pretty bad error on their part. So don't be confused by that. But if you had to go and pick one of these, that one is clearly the one that's the best. Although, yeah, hopefully the actual test will be more careful. All right, hope that makes sense.